Hey guys, Arun from GadgetGuruBN.com. Today we'll be unboxing the MSI's most affordable laptop. Let's dive in. This newly launched laptop in India is priced at ₹33,990. While we do the unboxing, you can see it's been unboxed and I've been using it for a short period of time. But now let's look at all the things which come in the box. Firstly, you get the laptop itself. Next, the driver installation manual with CDs and other paperwork. Lastly, you get the power adapter with 3.42 amp output, but you don't get the Indian pin. You need to use it along with a converter to charge this laptop. Here's a look at the specs which come on the box. I'll be making another dedicated video where I'll cover all the specs of this laptop, so stay tuned for that. Let's power on the laptop. Here's a look at the keyboard, which is not backlit. While it boots up, if you have to talk about the display, it's a matte finish and the resolution is 720p, not 1080p, but overall the display clarity for the price is very good. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any other questions with respect to this laptop, let me know in the comments below. Also, I'll be making dedicated videos covering the specifications, checking out audio quality, gaming performance and more, so stay tuned for all of that. If you found the video helpful, drop a like and share to show your support. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram, all links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notifications to stay notified and stay awesome.